Hi everyone, Ian Aldridge here from Progressive Legal. We're talking about trademarks in this series of videos. One of the questions we do get every now and then is if someone is infringing your intellectual property, and it could be copyright, it could be logos, it could be images on Instagram, it could be taglines or business names, etc. If you find someone out there that's infringing or even breaching your intellectual property, what do I do? You know, what are the practical things that I need to do? And one of the first things that I encourage people to do is to screenshot, preserve this evidence. Make sure you, because some of this stuff can be taken down, you know, off Facebook or taken down from some of these groups, etc., by them of their own accord, or even perhaps they get nervous afterwards and then delete them, or they get told by somebody else to delete them. Make sure you preserve the evidence by screenshotting the offending material, and it could be a photo of you know, one of your particular products. Try and get as much information and also dates and times in these screenshots, so you've got some evidence of when this stuff was posted. You can do that by just a screenshot on the Mac or a snipping tool on your PC to kind of cut out exactly what the offending material is and get the date and the time. And also, if there's a lot of comments about that follow some of these posts, for instance, or the number of people that it was shared to or viewed by, that's a really important thing to get evidence about damages. You know, how many people have actually seen this and how far has it been published, etc. So get the evidence first and then seek some advice as soon as possible. They're kind of some practical tips. The final thing I will say is do not engage you know, with them straight away. It's very tempting if someone has defamed you online or breached your intellectual property, etc., to actually go out and do something about it straight away. I would just err on the side of caution and get some advice first, just so that you know which option that you need to take, or if you've got a few options, what are those options and what are the various risks you know, involved in that. And it's sometimes better to have it coming from a third party rather than yourself. I hope that's been helpful today. If you have found that somebody else is infringing your intellectual property, feel free to give us a call or drop us an email, or feel free to PM me.